Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well. So today we are going to make some carrot chapati and we have our ingredients here. So we have our oil for mixing our chapati, and then we have milk, salt, about 1 tablespoon, and then we have half a piece of lime. We are going to squeeze in the juice from the lime, and then we have milk mixed with water. Just check down below at the description box for the full detailed recipe. And then we have grated carrot, 4 pieces carrots grated, and then we have our flour, 1 kg of flour. Okay, so we are going to start. We are going to start with our flour. And then we're going to go in with our salt, 1 tablespoon salt, and then oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Just get the full detailed recipe down below in the description box. So we're just going to give this a good mix first of all. Just mix in the flour and the salt and our oil first. Okay, and then next we are going to add in our milk. Just add gradually until you get the right texture for your dough. Add slowly by slowly. If you need more, you're going to add more. If it's too much, add a bit more of flour. So it is really important for you to add gradually. As you mix with your hands. Wash your hands, guys. I've already washed my hands. Yeah, just add your milk gradually and mix. So you just need to check with how you are mixing your dough. Like if it's the water with milk is little, add more water after. And if it's too much, you can add flour, but don't add in all at once. Just keep on adding slowly by slowly. So we're using warm water here, so ensure that your water is warm. So we are going to add in just a little bit of water because my dough is a bit dry. So just keep on shaking until you get the right consistency for your dough, for your chapati dough. So next we are going to add in our carrot. I'm going to squeeze in lemon juice. From half a piece of lemon, just squeeze in the juice. This is to add more flavor to your chapati. Yeah. Okay, just mix this well. Knead your dough and incorporate all the ingredients. Okay, so at this point my dough is too sticky and we want it to be firm, so I'm just going to add in a little bit of flour, just a little bit. So you just need to keep on checking as you're kneading your dough. So I'll just add in a little bit of flour. Okay, now we are going to transfer our dough to our working area so that we can have a better working space. So we want our dough to be firm like this, not sticky and not too dry, just at the right texture. So I'll just transfer my dough to my working area, and you can okay, so to your working area, just dust with some flour so that you can be able to work easier with your dough. Just dust your working area with flour, and then we're going to roll this out. So I'm just going to cut my dough into I'm going to cut my dough into half. And then I'm going to roll it out and oil it and roll it into balls, round balls, so that it can be easier for us to work with. Okay, so we're just going to roll out our dough. So this is how our dough is looking like. We're just going to roll it out. You can see the beautiful color of the carrots. It's going to be very yummy. So I'll just set this aside. So I'll just be applying my oil onto my dough. Grease it well all over. Then with my knife, I'll just cut into strips all the way up to the end. And from here we're just going to roll it out. Roll it out like this. And then set them aside. Set it aside. So just roll it out like this. So you're going to be repeating this procedure all the way up to the end until you finish with all of your dough. Set it aside, let it rest for a while, and then we're going to be rolling it out and frying our chapati. So this is how our balls are looking like after rolling them out into balls and rolling them out into a circular shape. And then so we're just going to give this a few minutes on each side, like 1 minute on each side, and then turn, and then oil, and then flip it again. So we are going to turn this chapati, turn it over. We're going to add our oil. So when we flip it, it's going to be well browned and cooked on this side. And then we're going to repeat the same procedure. So turn it, keep on turning it. Add my oil onto the side as well. Flip it so that it can be cooked on both sides. Then we're just going to check if it's well browned. So this is how we want our chapati to be well browned and well cooked on both sides. Just give it like 1 to 2 minutes and then remove. So this is our final look for our chapati. So you're going to repeat this process until you finish the rest of your chapatis.